Are you ready for an adventure through stunning landscapes? Norway is a treasure trove of natural beauty. From majestic fjords to northern lights, this country has it all. Let's dive into Norway's wonders. First, let's explore the breathtaking fjords. Geiranger fjord shines with emerald waters. The towering mountains create a dramatic backdrop. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is perfect for hiking or boating. Next, the famous Lofoten Islands. Their jagged peaks are mesmerizing. The beaches here, with white sands and turquoise waters, are breathtaking. They are ideal for kayaking or just soaking in nature's beauty. Don't miss the iconic city of Oslo. It blends modern architecture with rich history. The Opera House is a stunning piece of design. Walk on its roof for amazing views of the Oslo fjord. Adventure awaits in the north. Tromsø is the gateway to the Arctic. Experience the magical northern lights in winter. Summer brings the midnight sun, keeping the sun shining 24 hours. Next, let's journey to the charming town of Bergen. Known as the gateway to the fjords, it's filled with colourful houses. Stroll along the historic Bergen Wharf, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. We can't forget about Preikestolen or Pulpit Rock. Standing over 600 meters above Lysefjorden, it's a popular hiking destination. The view from the top is simply unforgettable. Now imagine exploring the scenic Atlantic Road. This route connects islands with twisting bridges. The breathtaking views make every moment special. For something unique, visit the Sognefjord. It's the longest fjord in Norway. The icy blue waters are surrounded by steep cliffs and quaint villages. Each destination captures Norway's essence. Its natural beauty leaves a lasting impression. Adventure, culture, and history await at every turn. In summary, Norway boasts awe-inspiring landscapes. From fjords to vibrant cities, there's something for everyone. Don't just dream about it, experience it. Ready to book your Norwegian adventure? Hit subscribe for more travel tips. Join us and explore the wonders of Norway today. Are you captivated by the beauty of Norway? This enchanting country invites you to lose yourself in its wild landscapes and rich culture. Each region tells a story, waiting for you to discover it firsthand. Take a moment to breathe in the fresh, crisp air as you embark on this unforgettable journey. Let's set sail towards the magnificent Geiranger Fjord, where the emerald waters reflect the towering peaks surrounding it. Picture the serene boat gliding effortlessly through the water as cascading waterfalls plunge dramatically from the cliffs above. Each drop creates a symphony of sounds, harmonizing with the whispers of the wind and the rustle of trees. As you drift along, the sheer beauty of this UNESCO World Heritage Site will leave you breathless. Feel the excitement build as the spectacular scenery unfolds before your eyes. Imagine stepping ashore, ready for an exhilarating hike that promises unparalleled views. Here, nature reigns supreme, and every moment feels like a postcard come to life. As you continue your adventure, let's turn our attention to the stunning Lofoten Islands. Picture the jagged peaks rising majestically from the sea, their rugged beauty beckoning you to explore. You might find yourself wandering along the pristine beaches, where white sands meet the crystal-clear turquoise waters. Here, the perfect combination of adventure and tranquility awaits, ideal for kayaking through the calm fjords or simply basking in the magical atmosphere. The air is filled with the fresh scent of salt water and the symphony of waves crashing on the shore, inviting you to lose track of time as you marvel at nature's artistry. Each moment spent in this breathtaking landscape feels like a dream, an opportunity to connect with the wild and serene beauty of Norway. Savor the taste of fresh seafood at a local eatery, reflecting the region's deep maritime culture, rich with stories and history. Thus, the Lofoten Islands become not just a destination, but a true experience that ignites the spirit of adventure in every traveler. As you wander through the vibrant streets of Oslo, don't overlook the iconic Oslo Opera House. Its modern angular design invites visitors to walk on its slanted roof, creating a seamless blend of architecture and nature. From up high, the view of the shimmering Oslo fjord stretches out before you, offering a new perspective of the city below. The lively waterfront area buzzes with energy, showcasing cafes and shops that invite you to take a break and soak in the atmosphere. Each corner reveals the rich history that coexists with contemporary life, making every moment in Oslo a delightful experience. As your adventure unfolds, the Arctic charm of Tromsø awaits. This vibrant city, surrounded by snow-capped peaks, serves as the perfect launchpad for your northern expedition. Experience the breathtaking auroras dancing across the night sky, or embrace the endless sunshine of summer's midnight sun. Each magical moment will etch itself into your memories.